Oh my gosh. I just thought of a sick idea. I'm gonna create a beach roaming robot that searches for coins at night when everyone's not at the beach. That's a funny robot idea. A robot that can search for coins the same way as a coin searcher device, and it will dig them up and take them. That'd be so funny to have my little robot looking for coins every day, recharging by solar panels in the daytime, hidden, hides himself, and then as he fills up with coins, I can have a drone robot fly to his location, collect his big sack of coins, and bring it back to my house. So I'll just have a bunch of these robots combing the beaches throughout the countryside and have my drones bringing in mountains of coins to me and wallets and sunglasses and everything else that you can find on a beach. That would be so funny, man. I'm gonna be rich from that beach money. I gotta add the drone part though. Make sure. All right, so this is such an easy thing to build for someone like me, a robot genius. Beach crawler coin searcher robot. Have drones fetch the bag of coins when it gets full and bring it back to me. The drone will fly to my house, open up the garage door and fly directly into the house and drop the bag of coins right in my lap while I'm working. And I'll be like, thank you, Mr. Drone, for another great bag of coins. It'd be funny if the drone brought it to my humanoid robot, who then brought the bag of coins to like a Walmart coin exchanger booth and converted it to cash. And then my robot brought the cash to my bank and deposited it into my bank, so I don't have to do anything except just see my bank account numbers go up. Now that would be automation, but I don't think I'll go to that extent quite yet. But that's such a hilarious money-making idea. It's so dumb, but it's so genius. I could design the beach crawling coin searcher robot to look like a crab. It'll just be a giant crab, and it'll use its little pinchers to dig up the coins. And it will hide the coins in a secret compartment on the back of its shell. And so people won't even know it's a robot. They'll think it's just a crab crawling around the beach. They'll never suspect a thing. They'll just think it's the biggest crab they've ever seen. Oh man, I'm so excited. I have such good ideas, man. I can't wait to build them. It's gonna be sick. The end is not near, Bustacab. I just came up with a crazy invention. Just within the last 10 minutes, I came up with the most genius invention you will have ever heard. It's a robotic crab that crawls around beaches searching for coins. When it finds the coin, it digs it up with its little pincher. It uses the same coin scanning device that you see people walking around with, which will be attached to its stomach. It'll dig the coin out with its little pinchers and throw it into a bag inside its shell. Once that bag gets full, I'll have a drone fly out to the crab's location to pick up that bag and bring it back to me. And so, having an army of these little robotic crabs that crawl around beaches and parks, I will be able to make a ton of money just on coins I receive. I'll just fill up like a 5-gallon bucket full of these coins and then eventually bring it to one of those stations where you have the coins auto-counted and cashed out. I'll take that cash and put it in my bank and be all the richer. Is that genius or what? The crabs are going to cost like 20 bucks because I just have to buy the raw materials. No, probably like 100 bucks. Just got to buy the raw materials, code it, and build it, and go from there. But I think like $100 in raw materials. Plus, you have to build the drones that go out and fetch the filled coin pouches. Um, no, well, the crabs can do it while the public is there just by avoiding people. It'll be able to see the people and kind of stay away from them. As long as it stays, let's say, 30 yards away from the nearest human and stays hidden, scuttling behind weeds, scuttling behind trees, scuttling into picnic baskets if it is trying to avoid detection, scuttling under people's beach towels, etc. It's it's gonna basically be like a stealth Assassin's Creed type of crab, but obviously at night it will get most of its work done undetected. Plus, if I was a pervert, I could have it scuttle around nude beaches and send me back the photos. But I'm not a naughty man. I could sell that to like Pornhub, a bunch of nude beach footage. But I'm gonna stick with the moral route, as I often do, because I'm a gentleman and scholar. But I'm just admitting that with my criminal mastermind, I could easily take a darker path. So you guys should be thankful that I am such an upstanding citizen. I could have it scuttle around the beaches, robbing people's purses as they lay out sunbathing, stealing wallets and everything. But I don't, because I don't want to have evil robot crabs. I want honest gains. The basket of coins will be right next to me, right here. To my right. Once my humanoid robot Adam is done, he'll be able to take the basket of coins to Walmart and have them cashed out in the coin counter machines for me. That'll be pretty sick. He'll take my self-driving car to Walmart and do it.